Hello my friends, this is a second video about the course using Visual Studio Code and Python programming language. I'm going to assume that you already have Python version installed on your local computer. To check this, start up terminal window and type up command python --version, and you can see that I'm using Python 3. If you haven't already installed Python on your computer, or if running that command returns an error, then you will need to install Python. You can do that by visiting python.org website and then going to the downloads, where you can find installers for all the popular operating system. Okay, let's do next. Installing VS Code itself is really easy. There are installers available for Mac, Windows and Linux. Visit the download page of VS Code if you need to install it, and then choose the right method for your platform. Once you have installed, open the program, and once you have Visual Code open, click on this icon to get to the extension view. Then type the word Python into the search box, and you will see a list of matching extensions. We are looking for the official Python extension from Microsoft, and you can see that it's this one here. Install the extension by clicking on the Install button. Now you have already got it installed. I have already installed it, so my button says Uninstall, but this will be a green install button for you if you don't already have it. You might also need to select Python interpreter for Visual Studio Code. To use, type Command-Shift-P if you are on Mac, or Ctrl-Shift-P on Windows, and then type Python select. And you will see this little comment right here, called Python select interpreter. So I will select that comment, and this little list should be pop up. I'm going to choose one of the highest version number. It will be Python 3. Okay, so that's all we need to do for the moment. Once you have selected an interpreter and you have got Python installed and working, you are ready to proceed with this course, and we will add other settings and configuration through the course as we need them. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notification about my new videos. Also like this video, it helps me a lot. In next video I will show user interface of Visual Studio Code.